Pete, hello guys, that we will be reading Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool.
I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes.
Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Good job. Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome.
I love my what? No, my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes.
Oh no. Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes?
Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy?
Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes.
What's the next page? Ooh. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red and all washed away. What color were his shoes again?
White, but now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll.
I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
Squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song.
There's supposed to be three.
There's supposed to be three birds there?
No, three right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuing.
Oh, okay.
So you still read it since 3. You do it.
Because it's all good. That's the end. All right, that was Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. You gonna say bye?
Bye bye.